Slenderina time.
Yes.
You're gonna play it, Carl, not me.
Scared me.
Oh, no, you are.
Let's play.
The cell out of one name. Hard one because we already did easy and medium. So, I'm gonna upload it. High five.
I think Slendrina might scare us.
No,
Jump.
she's not. She's gonna kiss you. Like this. Oh. I don't like my voice wouldn't say that.
Oh, I can do a broken voice, you know.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Gummy bears are chasing me.
One is red, one is blue, one is chasing down my shoe. Just doing for my life.
Oh no, please don't kiss him, Slendrina. You don't even have a boyfriend. Oh. You don't even have a crushes. Oh. Because you're a ghost and they cannot see you. Oh. No. Oh, I hate you, Slendrina. You're the bad. I hate you.
Bro,
And
at least it can hear us now.
yay.
Let's go here first.
That's why you should hate Slendrina.
Wrong.
Because she has no boyfriend. And she's a ghost, that's why she doesn't have boyfriend. Oh.
What's up? What's up, Slendrina?
She's
Do
a
you
ghost.
miss me?
She's a ghost, even nobody can see her dress.
Oh!
Even when she goes to
Hi, Slendrina. Do you miss me?
Even when Slendrina puts makeup and puts on a pretty dress and pants, they still cannot see her. Oh!
Preppy Slendrina.
Preppy Slendrina.
Slendrina head comes out.
Naganon siya. Oh! Sesame, give me no sesame. Idiya.
Bruh. Slendrina, you don't have a boyfriend.
Because you're ghost.
And you're ugly bitch.
That's why you don't have boyfriends. They cannot even see your dress.
Oh.
Even when you put makeup, they still can't see you.
Ooh.
Even a Snapchat filter cannot put a filter on your face.
Ooh. What's up? Hello guys. It's me and my cousin. I'm his cousin. Carl and Raven Lil Bro is here. He's not playing.
Oh, that's why I hate you, Slendrina. Slendrina the
I think I know why it is hard. Because when you look at Slendrina, so easy she will kiss you.
Ah, don't look at her. Because she will kiss you. Oh no, please don't throw me. Please don't throw me, Rista.
Okay, I'm back. Preppy Slendrina. Do you know Slendrina the preppy?
I'm gonna eat ice cream. Nice, no. No, it's not. I'm gonna eat ice cream.
Yo, mag-eat ka ice cream?
No?
You know, yo, if you eat ice cream, you buy me one, okay? Bruh.
Did you hear that she cried?
Ina,
Why?
kailangan ko tusin.
Wait, later.
Ngayon na.
I'm screen recording. We're playing Slendrina.
Nagsi-streaming kami. What's up, guys?
Sige na. Sige na, bababa na kami.
Wait lang, ano po, we can pause it. Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna be back for a while, bye. Oh, okay, I'm back. Sorry if I quitted so long, if it took so long. Okay, let's go back.
Let's go.
Oh, not again. Oh. Ayo area Racing game.
Ouch! Stop.
Nakita mo yung
Let's come and make like this at Firefly. You push it.
Raven, Harrison.
No.
Happiness is everywhere. You just have to look closely. Flendrina's happiness. Brookson's happiness. All of them are happiness.
Sige na, wear your slippers. Are you hungry or no? Raven, are you hungry? Kanino pa nagtatanong?
I said no. No. You just didn't hear me. I said no.
Mag-lunch tayo, dali.
Hungry.
Later. Harrison.
Yo, sabi mo. Tsaka macho. Tsaka macho sa akin.
Ngayon kumakain. Malaga.
It's okay.
Lang ka.
Like He just said G-A-G-O.
I know. Did you know the G-A-G-O that Vietnam always says, or J-A-G-U, that is what Vietnam always says is actually water?
Please lang, huwag mo mag-away, alis ako.
Ayun yun.
Pwede dito mo lang yun.
Okay.
Car.
Identitate mo na ina.
Carl. Carl.
What?
After that, let's react to videos with screen record, okay?
Okay.
Then we do Seller 2. Then we play Minecraft.
Okay.
And then do Seller
Let's show our Minecraft to your viewers. Okay?
2. Okay, but it's fake Minecraft.
What? Mine is not fake,
It is.
but
It's Lucky Craft. I played that before, but I uninstalled it, so I got another one.
let's go to the other game. Let's go to Minecraft.
Yeah.
Yun na. Yeah, what the hell is this? Let me see. One ticket, $50. Two tickets, $300. Best bundle, 5 tickets plus. We're gonna try. Let's go back from where we came from. Yeah. Sorry, put it real. Did you, Huh? Huh? Oh, it's okay. We can just cut this.
Playing with leftovers is your favorite. Going with your favorite. Your heart is so very loud. It's very clear. You can.
What's that? Instead of the villagers going to a cart, they go to walk. I hope this other villager is going fast. You died.
1, 2, oops, you missed up. 1, 2, oops, you missed up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, why did you do it like this? What?
That's why I put it.
It's okay.
You playing with leftovers is your favorite, like a boring melody. Your heart is so very loudly. Your hero.
This is our world. I'm going to build another world. Okay? Our world that is a theme park too. This is the new one. Then we are going to build. I think this is the the real one, and then this is the first one. Then we do the second one.
Okay. At
Bro.
least they can hear that.
Wow! Yo, that was actually chills. What the fuck is this? What the? Okay, let's go create another world. This is our dream park. Yes. This is ours, right? But not for everyone. This is only for ours. But in the
Can
next
it also
one,
be for Liana? Can it also be for Liana?
okay. Right
Kyle, I
now.
also want to show them my number. I'm so obsessed with number blocks. You know I'm so obsessed with number blocks. I'm so obsessed with number
Wait, you're obsessed in number blocks. I'm obsessed with the skibidi toilet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number blocks. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
How many number blocks do you need to do?
100. But I cannot do the 10,000.
Okay. Here, let's go make another world where we're going to.
Carl, wait lang.
Do
I
the-
want to show. Let's show them the hell. Let's just show them the hell.
This is the hell. As you can see, there's blood.
Because we killed.
Because we killed all.
Wait, what happened to the water? Carl.
Wait.
Carl. Wait, me also. Wait. Wait lang. Wait lang. Why don't we find the village?
There's no village.
Wait lang. Wait lang ba?
Here, I'll do it.
No,
because
wait. Wait lang kasi.
Hurry up. 5,
Wait,
Four.
I know an idea.
3.
When we see
Two.
cave, you know what we're
Okay,
doing.
bye, sir.
Wait, why don't we cover up a cave with TNT? I'll do the covering TNT, you do the ignite, okay?
You mean you to...
I'll do the cover, you do
I'll
the...
do it, then you do the ignite. Okay?
No, you do the ignite. You do all of the ignite.
It's okay that you put so many there. Come on. Now my turn. But first, I'm going to put some torches there first.
Playing leftover, did you say like a full of minute?
I'm gonna add some bloods.
Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Okay, let's go to the Let's go build our new world. New.
Team park. Don't remove the my, okay?
Wait. CR Theme Park.
What?
C Art Theme Park.
What?
C and R Theme Park.
What does that mean?
Carls and Ravens Theme Park.
Ah, yeah.
But we can't. My theme park.
How about we do our?
We can't theme park. Hey, creative. Bro, why is it options? Bro, go to title. We needed to edit it. Always stay. Delete. We needed to do this. Renew. Theme park. Bro, why?
Sorry.
Create.
Sorry for the skibidi toilet fans that I told them.
Okay, let's make our
It's not the
theme
joke.
park now. Okay, I'm gonna put it.
Wait lang,
Wait. Yes.
House also. Can we-
Wait, we build the house first. You build the house, I'll do the Ferris wheel ba yun? Or the rails. You build the house because it's a theme park.
Since yellow and red are my favorite, and
Light blonde, black.
like green.
That's not a light blue. This is what I needed. Go here. Wait. Where is it? There. Not that. Yes. Please. Wait. Yes, that's what I needed to do.
What do you need? The torch.
We needed this to be the floor, so we're going to do black, black, then red. It's alright, okay? I'll do the floor, then you do the walls, okay?
Then we remove one carpet so that we can put the furniture, okay?
Okay. Okay. I'll put the secret entrance. You do the walls and the
Furniture.
no.
The roof.
Yes. Then I'll do the furnitures.
Is there gonna be second
Then
floor?
What?
Is there gonna be second floor?
No.
Why?
Because this is a theme park, not a house. It's ruined. Where?
Baby, kawawa.
Okay, last.
That's why I was always saying kawawa in Roblox when you and me were playing two-player obby. That's what I always say. Kawawa. 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 Yan. Kawawa. Yan. That's what I always say. Yan. Kawawa. Kawawa naman. Yan.
This is what I build the floor. Is it too cold?
It's like an optimal illusion.
Okay, you put. I'll put my cyan wall. Then you do your wall. Okay.
Why don't you do a quarter?
Yeah, I'm going to do quarter.
You do red quarter. I do red quarter and yellow quarter. That makes a half. You do cyan. Light blue quarter and black quarter. That's half. Then then I have half. You have half, and that is a full.
Yeah. Is it too big? The big.
You count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you do here, oh. Then I'll do here.
Wait lang.
Wait.
Wait, let me count.
I needed to say something to you. I'll do the walls here, then you do the walls
Wait.
here and there, okay?
Wait lang. This is where we both put our walls. Wait lang. At the middle here.
No.
At the you make like this. I make like this.
No, I don't want.
I know.
I'll do mine.
You like this. Look, Carl. Like this.
I don't understand.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we needed something here because it's too boring just like this.
Why?
I will fix it later. Wait. Hey, wait. Kobe Bryant is now dead. You are my sunshine.
my only sunshine.
You make me happy.
When skies are blue, gray.
I don't know what's the next. Okay, then
Never know, dear.
how much I love you. Please don't
You're not
say.
preferring me right. You're not preferring me right.
Yeah. Okay. You do your
Heart.
yes.
49, Chichi-dong is
I'll do the carpets pala.
Do you know the 489?
No.
489. It's a trend. 489, Chichi-dong is
Is it cool? Is it cool? Like
Yeah.
that? Okay. Now you do your walls here. Your
Do I have to skip this?
no. No, I mean yes. Then no, not like that.
I know. I would just want to be like this.
That's the harap.
Atara.
That's the harap where the customer will get the tickets.
No, we can just.
Wait, here. I'll put your favorite color here. Then I'll put,
Oh no! Wait, what?
and I'm gonna put your favorite color.
Why did I
here.
even put your favorite color there, black?
Yeah.
Why did I put?
Do you like black too?
Yes, you like black.
Bra! Nigga.
Oh, do you know what the meme that Kai has the bunnies and the bunny said the body in the car?
Nigga.
Yeah, that's me. 49. Then the bunny's racist.
Yeah. Nigga. Then they are niggas too. Wait.
And Kai is brown.
Yeah. Wait, we needed the signs there.
49.
Hey, you do the signs. One ticket for $50.
Why don't we make like this?
Here. Wait, $100.
Two tickets.
2 tickets for $100.
That's what I also did.
Huh? Okay, my turn. For three.
No, wait, Carl, say no more.
Three tickets.
Oh.
$150.
But mine was 200.
Then 4 tickets. Ticket.
Tiki 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 tiki. Each,
4 tickets equals 200.
but mine was 400. But mine was 400.
Then we do half here. I'll do it first. VIP. Where is it? VIP for $1,000. Yes. Wait, it's getting dark. We needed to sleep. Where's the bed? I needed to wet the bed.
Wait.
I needed to wet the bed.
Wait. We need to make a room so that's for our staff only, for living room.
No, we don't needed some stuff. Then I'll do the lines.
You do mine also.
Okay.
Mine is red.
Bro, how did you get there?
Sumasayaw siya.
How can he jump? All the mobs cannot jump. Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Sorry. You can do that to me also.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You
Enough,
did that to
enough,
me
enough.
2 times. So I do it to you 2 times also. It's a weird ball. Like, look like a big fat cat. And you look like a fool.
Slow. Wait, we needed to do here too.
And you look like a 2 big foot. A, B, A, D, A, F, E. What out or F is gonna say me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Gummy bears.
Wait lang. Naked?
Oh.
What?
Do you remember this meme
What?
in YouTube? Bro, the meme in the shorts YouTube.
What?
Wait.
The memes that died?
No. The saucy meme.
stuck in the wall.
No. The Roblox meme that is the murder mystery.
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah.
Come on, just pick one more time. Yes, we win. Wait. Oh, I kinda like this spot. Hmm.
Carl, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Oh.
Do you know that meme?
No.
It's the skeleton meme that was doing the thing that I did.
Bruh.
The meme of the skeleton meme from the Manny show. The one where Manny said, did you know the Titanic is still, did you know the Titanic, did you know the Titanic is still filled with water in the pool? Oh.
Wait. I'm gonna do the roof. Okay. We needed the here. The carpets again. Black carpet. And where's the red carpet? Red carpet. Red carpet.
And now you're gonna complain about the yellow carpet.
It's here.
No,
Now we
no,
need
I mean if you need the yellow carpet and then it's gone, you will complain again.
Yo, we needed to yung the VIP gold yung ano natin. Bruh. Double part. Kasi marami yung nagkaano dito sa VIP. Kaya ipatagtag natin.
Wait lang.
Wait. We needed to do the ano naman. Okay, L2 yours. But then you L2. Where did I put that? Yes. Bruh, don't stop that.
I'm just making it. The tongue is not out.
Bro.
How about this?
Oh.
My tongue is in. Look.
I can also do it. Everybody can do it.
Carl, can you
What?
can you press your tongue up while your lips are closed? Again, normal, and no press. Your jawline is going up. How about mine?
Like this. Normal. Put your tongue up. Tongue up. Like this. Yeah, like that. No. Yo, it go up. Became
That's the jawline hack.
bye-bye. Mama.
Did you just say mommy?
Mommy, am I adopted?
Yes, son. I know that meme. It's where Tommy says that to his mom. Said
Yo.
that to his mom.
Hey, mom, wait. Oh! Oh!
Uy, saan ka papunta? Saan ka papunta, Carl? Saan ka pupunta? Gonna play something else. Let me check it out. Let's go. Let's react. Clean shorts. Wait, no. Okay.
Hey, Apple! What?
If you've been on the creepy side of TikTok over the past couple of days, more than likely you've seen a slideshow that looks like this. This Hey Apple slideshow starts off with an image of an oven, then an image of a child, and finally an image of an apple pie that looks like it has a face baked on top of it. And a lot of people are dubbing this to be the apple pie incident. It's pretty obvious that this slideshow is insinuating that these people are getting baked into pies and their faces are coming out on top. However, the real reason for this is not as morbid as you'd think. If you go on Google and type in apple pie incident, the only thing that comes up are these TikTok slideshows. However, you're looking up the wrong thing. You need to look up apple pie face. When you do this, you realize that all of these faces that we're seeing on the apple pies are actually part of competitions for like Halloween creepy pies and stuff like that. So there's really nothing disturbing going on here.
Hey, Apple!
What?
No, please give me a chance. That was close. We'd better farm first. There are so many powerful Taoists here. I should be careful. A blind box. Zodiac relic. Lucky me. Now I should be able to defeat it. What? Elysium seal? I can't believe that I failed again. Come on, just give me another powerful relic. This is the most powerful relic in the early stage. This game is way too awesome.
So, how was school today? Stop attacking me!
So, how was school today?
Stop attacking me!
So, how was school today?
Stop attacking me!
So, how was school today?
Stop attacking me!
So, how was school today?
Right, what's happening?
Easy! Police speaking.
Paging after beep. Emergency, emergency. Paging after beep.
If you don't do anything, five.
I know that you know.
It's time to eat our veggies. Eat 'em up while you have a chance. Now do the veggie dance. Now do the veggie dance. Now do the veggie dance. Yum yum. Eat 'em up. Yum yum. Eat 'em up. Yum yum. Eat 'em up. Eat 'em up. Eat 'em up. I love my veggies. It's time to.
And that's why 4 plus 4 equals... My parents are having a divorce. What? My mommy caught my daddy cheating on her. With who? With the babysitter. With the babysitter? Oh my god, what did your mom do? She beat his ass and sued for full custody. As she should! As she should. And that's...
Hi guys.
I wonder. What's that? Are you done filming? Again? Wait, we needed to ano da. Oh. Let's finish it.
I'll make this only.
Okay. Dim part. Bro, why are you ruined it? Why did you ruin that?
No.
Oh, I thought you ruined it. Needed this to be the bed.
Buffer overflow. Buffer overflow.
I think we needed a light here
Yeah.
because it's so dark.
But
We needed this. Every day I go to school.
also that's Korean. I mean also that's Japanese. That's Japanese.
Okay. We needed to do the tickets. Well, we needed to sacrifice this. Wawa.
Kawawa.
Wait, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we needed that chest. Wait, but we needed this close. We needed 8 lights.
That's Japanese. You can sing it.
Good night, good to sleep, good to die, should sleep, yeah.
Your durability. I'll do the English, okay?
Okay, go to touch, you know, go to touch, you say, go to never summon, oh yeah.
I forgot.
Bro, where's the chest? Oh, there.
You ask the viewers what is the next lyrics of Mesmerizer English version.
Wait, we needed these. These nuts. Wait.
Did you know that my name before in Geometry Dash was these nuts?
What the hell?
Wasa. Did you know the wasa is part of the what the hell?
Yeah. What's that? Where is it? Oh, there. I think we only needed buttons. This is the VIP. This is the Alright.
What if this is a ticket?
Okay, this is the ticket and this is the VIP and this is the
What?
then
What?
and then this is this. Okay.
Car. Wait lang, we need an anvil.
We go
So
We
that
go
we can
to-
name them ticket.
yeah.
Then we put
Very
villager.
damaged anvil, yes. We put it here. Wait. How can we get name?
Okay lang.
Wait, where is it? We needed a dinner bone. It's okay. Look.
Wait lang. It's just easy. You just make like this. What do I mean?
Wait. Oh, I know now.
You
Wait,
didn't have to cut me up. Bang, bang.
we're gonna put all this thing there. Okay, and then cyan carpet will be
The VIP TT.
Jesus. What is the cyan carpet again? 4 tickets.
Ah, okay, the blue is 4 tickets. 4 tickets each. 4 tickets each, okay?
Okay. Ticket.
Okay. 4 tickets each.
Bruh, why is it cyan carpet tickets? Tickets.
Tukaw ng
Why is it cyan carpet?
with the barber.
Tickets.
With the barber. Dealing with the barber. Because the barber is a barber.
Alright. Yo! Come here! Come here! It really worked! Look. This is weighted pressure plate heavy tickets. We.
I tried that before, you know.
We. Wait, we needed to do something. We needed this. Where is it? Bro, stop. I will
It
throw.
came back! What? Again. Wait lang. You have to do it hard. Ah, did it come back?
Wait. Come here.
The other one is
We needed this. Oh, wait. We needed this sign. 4 tickets.
end. Only 3
Sayang.
more minutes.
Sayang.
Carl, it's almost the end. It's almost the end. It's only 3 minutes. We'll end at 3 minutes.
We only have 50 seconds. So it means we have 1 minute. We got 1 minute now.
When it's about to end, we will say bye bye, viewers.
Okay. Okay. Wait, what
But we
the-
forgot to do the farewell to
Black.
Katrina.
Black.
We got
Bruh. What
Ensler.
freak? Gold.
Ensler.
VIP. Oh,
Sorry.
wait, what is it again? Oh, red.
Why do you always make ladies out even though they get
Okay, yellow. I have sensitive ears.
What?
I have sensitive ears.
Why?
I don't know. And now,
Carl, when I was in
this
the
is
very
tickets.
Carl, when I was in school and I had it was super loud in my classroom when I was kinder, and so I didn't have sensitive ears, so I was like this.
I think we needed to do like this and then we do.
Eow. It's not even in your ear. Eow. Wow, wow, wow.
Wait.
me.
Black carpet. The black.
know me.
What?
I know me.
What is the black ticket again? 3 tickets.
Like you poo. You're the ability one, you're the way.